Hello, in this video I want to show you how to get Pokemon Go mod menu. Let's start the game so I can show you how it works. This yellow icon is the mod menu. You can click on it to see many cool features. And if you want to see even more features, then you can click on settings. Here you can change your speed, hide the joystick or select one of many other options. And here is the joystick. You can use it to walk. But I prefer to use tap to walk option. Thanks to that, I can go wherever I click. I play for a few moments now, just to show you that everything works fine. If you want, you can skip this part of the video. That's enough. You see how this mod works. Now let me show you how to get it. I will uninstall the game now, just so I can show you how to install it again, step by step. Now let's open a browser, for example Google Chrome or Firefox. And let's go to the website mod4apk.com. Now find and click on Pokemon Go. And now scroll down till you see the orange download button and click on it. As you can see, to get the Pokemon Go mod menu, I need to complete 2 free offers. Now I will show you how to do it in less than 3 minutes. First, let's choose and click on one of the offers. Now let's read the instructions. As you can see, to complete this offer, I need to install this app and then open it for 30 seconds. That's very easy. Let's click on Tap to install. Now let's click on Install to install this app. When the app is installed, let's open it. Now I have to keep it open for at least 30 seconds. I will keep it open for about 40 to 50 seconds just in case. I will speed up this part of the video. And after about 40 seconds I can close the app and go back to the browser. The first offer is completed. Now it's time to complete the second one. Just like before, let's select and click on one of the offers. And now let's read the instructions. Remember guys that you can choose any offers you want, but it is very important to read the instructions. As you can see, the instructions are just the same. I need to install this app and then open it for at least 30 seconds. Click on Tap to install. And now let's install this app. Now let's open it and keep it open for about 40 to 50 seconds. Just like before, I will speed up this part of the video. And after about 40 seconds I can close the app and go back to the browser. The two offers are completed, and as you can see the Pokemon Go mod menu is now downloaded. Let's click on Open. And now click on Install. Now the Google Play Protect will make sure that the game is safe for my device. And as you can see, it says secure. And that's it. Now I can play Pokemon Go with all these cool features. Thanks for watching.